We're probably not going to be doing a live stream anymore.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Guys, I do want to make sure to throw in a mistake mention here today because we unfortunately don't have the necessary stuff here to run the intro or the outro here. I do just want to say thank you to our main sponsor, Stake. They've been around for a while, and we definitely value what they do, and we value that Stake supports this channel, and they are going to continue to support this channel, but we're probably not going to be doing a live stream anymore. I've been doing this live stream every single day since January of 2021, and it's January 2024 now. A lot of stuff has changed. And we're barely making it over here, guys. I've got lawyers coming after me from every angle. I'm spending about $100,000 a month on lawyer bills right now. Everyone I know is coming after me. Everyone. It cost me $25,000 a week to run the show. That's how much it cost me to run the show, to have the studio, to pay employees. That's how much it cost me, $25,000 a week. And you guys may act like it's really silly that I ask you guys to like the videos. It's really silly. I don't think you guys understand how much that matters. I get up every morning at 5:30. I start getting ready for the day and getting ready for the show. We have put in a tremendous amount of hours trying to make this show the very best show it can be, with bells and whistles, graphics, segments, calling Gary Ginsburg. We're trying to do fun stuff. And it seems like the more we try, the more people reject the show. The numbers have been going down dramatically. The likes on the videos, they're now at a point where it's actually pointless for me to be spending this money to do the show. And I hate it because you guys know Jay Chains, a very close friend of mine. And Jay Chains is not at work today. He is, guys, I don't think I have a job for him here anymore. He deserves to be paid well. And he helps me with the show, and he does a phenomenal job. But guys, I'm running negative every single week. Every week we're negative. And I have people pounding down my doors, begging me for money. People who know me very well, accusing me of having hidden money everywhere. And meanwhile, I can't even run my freaking show. So we did just drop our lawsuit, or not drop it. We just released our amended lawsuit against Hit Network, TJ, Justin Williams, Carlos, Allison, Nick DeMondi, and there will be many more names amended to that in the following weeks. We couldn't add all the names we wanted to add in the original amended lawsuit. You guys can go check out Crypto Believes or Believes Crypto. I can never remember which way it goes. You can check out his X account if you would like to see the lawsuit. I'm not going to get into it right now. It's not important. But we do have an emergency hearing on Friday. And then also Cassie's father passed away in the middle of all of this. And so I've got to go. Cassie and I are going to go this weekend. We're going to be gone all weekend and part of next week doing that. But what I found is that I can make an XRP phone record video that takes me 10 minutes. And I get way more likes and way more appreciation and way more views on those videos than I do on the live stream now. And I've been doing this every single day. The show's really all I have now. I've lost everything. So, anyways, I love you guys. And still have 3 videos a day. Got more videos coming, but I really appreciate you guys. It's been a good run. And love all of you guys. Be blessed, guys. Love you.